We're going to lay out the letterhead, the business card, and the envelope. What I've done here is I have a page showing different examples of logos that can be created from the same image. So the same coffee cup was used to create this logo, and this logo, and this logo. I'm looking for you to have a variety of logos arrangements with your projects as well. I'm going to take this and do a select all, and I'm going to go edit, copy. This is now on my clipboard. I do not need to be in Illustrator at the moment, so I'm going to close this. I'm going to templates. You notice that there's a letterhead.ait and envelope.ait. AIT stands for Adobe Illustrator Template. So let's take the envelope. I will open it with Illustrator, and if I double click on the hand, here is the business size envelope. I've indicated that you should include on your envelope the logo and the business mailing address. This file also includes a black border. The dimension of the envelope is 4 1/8 tall by 9 1/2 wide. It's the envelope, the border around it is locked. The point is, when you upload this to Flickr, we're just going to see a big empty space. So that is why I have included this border. You'll see what I mean in a moment. I'm going to do an edit paste. Here's our Joe's logo. I will select this, move it over, and I need to have a mailing address. So I will use the letter T and click, and we will say that this is at 1234 Main Street, Hagerstown, Maryland 21742. I don't remember what font I used for this, so I put the cursor in and I can see it's Bauhaus. I will try Bauhaus, and if that looks good, which I believe it does, I think I'm going to make the logo a little bit smaller, holding down the shift to keep it in scale, and I'm going to line this up on the left hand side. And since there's no black in the logo, I'm not going to keep this as being black. I'm going to make this a little bit larger, and I'll pick up one of these colors. Oops, I picked up the color and the style. So let's deselect. Let's go to swatches. Let's pick up this color. Now it's on swatches, and when I select this, I'll apply this color. Okay, I do not need the rest of this type, so I'm going to delete it. And I do not need the word envelope, so I will delete it. This is my envelope that I will be uploading. I think one other thing I want to do is I want to close up some of the lettering. So I'll select the letter T, go to character, and I think that'll be better. Okay, so I will save this. When you save your template, excuse me, this is envelope Joe's demo. Even though I opened a template, this will save as a regular file. So I've saved it as a .ai. I like to embed the ICC profiles, and then I'm also going to export it as a JPEG, and I'm going to put it into the class by class, into 112, and into here, so I can upload it to Flickr. Again, I like to keep the ICC profile. You can never tell when you're going to need that. Okay, let's go back to Blackboard, and I will go to Flickr. I'm going to Groups. I'm going to Our Group, and I'm going to Upload. Since I'm already signed in, I need to find the link so I can upload. I'm going to choose my photo and video. I'm going to choose, whoops, I went the wrong way. Go to my documents, class by class, sort this by date. There's the envelope, and I'm gonna select it to upload. If I had all of the other two of them done, the letterhead and the business card, I would upload those as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell it to upload. And the most important thing I wanted to show you is, you see how this envelope is uploaded and it has a border around it? That's the border that I was talking about